Welcome to Technia TV. I, Dr. Sachin Sabharwal, faculty of MBA Department of Technia Institute of Advanced Studies, is going to deliver a lecture on Introduction to Managerial Economics. Economics is a study of allocation of scarce resources among alternative users. Resources are always scarce. They are not only scarce but also have alternative uses, and the optimum allocation of resources is required. These are also known as the problems of the economy. Allocation problems are faced by individuals, organizations, both profit making and non-profit making, and nation also. Economics deals with how an individual consumer allocates his scarce resources among alternative uses in such a way that he always tries to get maximum satisfaction. Maximum satisfaction or utility is the goal of an individual consumer. Similarly, an individual producer aims at least cost combination of inputs to get given quantities of output. Managerial economics also deals with how an individual or firm or industry attains equilibrium. A firm is said to be in an equilibrium if it attains profit maximizing level of output, that is the output which gives the highest level of profitability to the firm, that is the cost should be minimum and the revenue should be maximum. It tries to maximize revenue or minimize cost. How a country reach equilibrium? Allocating limited resources in such a way that the desired goals are reached. The goal may be overall welfare of its people or the highest profitability to the individual or the firm. Individuals or organization, that is profit making or non-profit making, or nations attain their goals by optimum use of limited resources. Then what is microeconomics and macroeconomics? Micro means small and macro means large. Microeconomics deals with the study of individual behavior. It deals with the equilibrium of an individual consumer, producer, firm or industry. While macroeconomics, on the other hand, deals with economy-wide aggregates, the determination of national income, output and employment, changes in aggregate economic activity known as business cycles, changes in general price level known as inflation or deflation, policy measures to correct disequilibrium in the economy, that is monetary policy and fiscal policy, are all that is included in macroeconomics. Then what is managerial economics? Managerial economics is economics applied in decision making. It is a special branch of economics bridging the gap between abstract theory and managerial practice. In other words, it is an integration of economic theory with business practice for the purpose of facilitating decision making and forward planning. Managerial economics is the study of the allocation of scarce resources available to a firm or other unit of management among the activities of that unit. It also includes the price theory. Then the functions of managerial economics. The main function of a manager is decision making, and managerial economics helps in taking rational decisions, that is the optimum or the best possible decision making by the manager. Then the need of decision making arises only when there are more than one alternative courses of action. The steps involved in decision making are defining the problem, then identifying the alternative courses of action so that the choice can be made, then the collection of data and analyzing the data, then evaluation of alternatives, then selecting the best alternative, then implementing that particular selection or that particular decision, then follow up the action. Specific functions to be performed by a managerial economist. First one is production scheduling, that is how the production can be done and the schedule has to be prepared so that the resources can be efficiently allocated. Then sales forecasting, so that the plans can be made accordingly, according to the time period and according to the market about which the sales forecast has been done. Then the market research for the new product as well as the old product that has to be improved. Then economic analysis of competing companies so that the competition level can be measured and accordingly decision making can be done. then pricing problems of industry. That is, for example, in different markets, the different types of pricing problems arises. In case of monopoly, there is different problem. In case of perfect competition, there is different problem. In case of oligopoly market, there is different problem. So it deals with the pricing problems of the industry, particular industry. Then investment appraisal, that is choosing among the various investment avenues available to a firm. Then security analysis, that is measuring the growth and the pattern of income from the various securities. Then advice on foreign exchange management. Then advice on trade and the environmental forecasting. Role of a managerial economist in the management team. Then Baumol concludes that a managerial economist can become a far more helpful member of a management group by virtue of his studies of economic analysis, primarily because there he learns to become an effective model builder, because there he acquires a very rich body of tools and techniques which can help him to deal with the problems of the firm in a far more rigorous, a far more probing and a far deeper manner. Hope that you understood the topic, Introduction to Managerial Economics. For watching more videos like this, subscribe Technia TV. Thank you.